Hello students, in last video I taught you elements of delegation and today topic is importance of delegation. First importance is effective management. In delegation process, the managers pass their routine work to the subordinates so that they become free and concentrate on other important works. In this way, managers can get the work done effectively and efficiently from the subordinates. बच्चों, when manager passes their routine work to their subordinates, then he become free and pay more attention and concentration on the important work which are very important for the आपका organization and pay the more आपका attention on the workers on the आपका subordinates on those who assigned the आपका routine work. In this way he performed the work effectively and done the work effectively by their subordinates. Second is employees development. Delegation allows the employees to develop those skills which help them to perform complex tasks. स्टूडेंट डेलीगेशन जो है एम्प्लॉयज़ को एक अपॉर्चुनिटी प्रोवाइड कराता है टू परफॉर्म द हार्ड वर्क. डेलीगेशन हेल्प इन मेकिंग बेटर फ्यूचर मैनेजर्स. जो डेलीगेशन प्रोसेस है वो सबॉर्डिनेट्स को हेल्प करता है फॉर फ्यूचर मैनेजर्स to become the future managers by giving them chance to use their skill, gain experience of work related to the higher job position. बच्चों डेलीगेशन प्रोसेस हाउ टू हेल्प टू आपका एम्प्लॉयज़ फॉर ग्रोथ फॉर डेवलपमेंट, यानी कि व्हेन द मैनेजर असाइन द रूटीन टास्क टू देयर सबॉर्डिनेट्स देन it is the subordinates duty to perform that task, and when he perform that task यानी कि managerial task, then he learn new skills, then he get the experience of managerial work. In this way delegation give the opportunity to become the future manager. Next is motivation of employees. In the delegation process, when manager is shared his responsibility and authority to his subordinate, then the subordinates feels that the superior trust on him, the superiors have the faith on him, and this feeling is motivate to the subordinates, which bring the belongingness feelings among the employees. Next is facilitate organizational growth. In the process of delegation, when the managers passing their responsibility and authority to the subordinates according to their qualification and capability, so this leads to division of work. Student, listen clearly. When the manager passing their responsibility and authority to his subordinates according to their qualification and capability, तो this process या this आपका activity leads to division of work. ये division of work को leads करता है and specialization, which is very important for the organizational growth. And as you know student ki specialization is very important for the organizational growth. Until the specialists are not present in the organization, then no organization can be growth. Next is basis of management hierarchy. Delegation creates superior subordinate relationship, which is the basis for management hierarchy. Student, what is the meaning of management hierarchy? Management hierarchy means a systematic chain of designation in the organization, just like top level management, then middle level management, then lower level management. So this is the hierarchy which consists a chain, which creates a chain of various job positions of various designation in the organization, and this is done only delegation process. Next is better coordination. In delegation, responsibility and authority is divided and employees are answerable for non-completion of tasks. Students, as you know, in delegation process, the superior people passes their routine work to his subordinates. So, the employees or subordinates are answerable for non-completion of that responsibility. यदि कोई सबॉर्डिनेट्स या एम्प्लॉयज़ अपने असाइन टास्क को कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाता है, तो इन दिस केस दैट एम्प्लॉयज़ विल बी आंसरेबल फॉर नॉन कंप्लीशन ऑफ टास्क कि उन्होंने क्यों नहीं किया पूरा वो टास्क. तो दिस सिस्टमेटिक डिवीजन ऑफ वर्क गिव्स क्लियर पिक्चर्स ऑफ वर्क टू एवरी एम्प्लॉयज़. ये डिवीज़न जो होता है वो एवरी एम्प्लॉयज़ को क्लियरली डिफाइन करता है एंड देयर इज़ नो डुप्लीकेशन ऑफ वर्क एंड देयर इज़ नो चांस इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के सेम टाइप ऑफ वर्क विल बी आपका कंडक्टेड एनी वेयर या एनी अदर प्लेसेस. क्लैरिटी इन ड्यूटीज़ असाइंड एंड रिपोर्टिंग रिलेशनशिप ब्रिंग्स इफेक्टिव कोऑर्डिनेशन इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. तो स्टूडेंट जो आपका क्लैरिटी है इन ड्यूटीज़ असाइंड में एंड रिपोर्टिंग रिलेशनशिप के हु विल रिपोर्ट टू होम, कि कौन एम्प्लॉयज़ किसको रिपोर्ट करेगा एंड हु इज़ द बॉस ऑफ होम, किन के लिए कौन बॉस है. तो दैट क्लियरिटी ब्रिंग द इफेक्टिव कोऑर्डिनेशन इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. नेक्स्ट इज रिड्यूस द वर्कलोड ऑफ मैनेजर. एज यू नो स्टूडेंट्स, इन डेलीगेशन प्रोसेस इज द आपका passes the authority and responsibility to his subordinates. So this process reduces the work of the manager in the organization and manager pay more concentration on important tasks. Now student, discuss the next topic is centralization and decentralization. There are two terms in your syllabus. Firstly, I am explaining the आपका centralization. कि centralization means concentration of power or authority in few hands, means decision power few hands में collected होना, it is known as centralization. कि all the decisions are taken only few pupils, then it is called centralization. That is top level management. Example है इनका top level management. Second is decentralization. Decentralization means systematically distribution of authority at every level of management. Student, this point is understand clearly. I am just explaining the delegation and this is the decentralization. Both are the same but the meaning are not same. Delegation means passing the authority and responsibility just his subordinate, यानी कि जो सुपीरियर पर्सन है उसके जस्ट बाद जो पीपल आता है उसको शेयरिंग करना. एंड डेलीगेशन शेयरिंग बिटवीन ओनली टू पीपल्स, दैट इज सुपीरियर एंड सबऑर्डिनेट. वेयर एज डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन, द अथॉरिटी एंड रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी passes among the आपका वेरियस लेवल्स, means more than one pupils, more than two pupils. डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन इज ए एक्सटेंशन ऑफ डेलीगेशन. जो डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन है वो आपका डेलीगेशन का एक्सटेंशन फॉर्म है. इट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड व्हेन एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ग्रोज एंड एक्सपेंड्स. डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन वहाँ रिक्वायर्ड होता है जब हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ग्रोज कर रही हो, एक्सपेंड कर रही हो. बिकॉज
हेलो